A virus regarding a disease cannot be processed or formulated in a positive sense in any country or place or any residential area. So choice A and B are absurd to make sense to fit the blank, and they are eliminated. Dispatched means dealing with an issue to finish. Choice C is showing a relevancy to make sense, as the disease is a concerning issue, so it is not dispatched in 16 cases of 22. Rather, it may go onward spreading. So choice C is an incorrect answer. Rife and rampant, as choice D and E both mean spreading widely and extensively, which meets the message given by the passage, where the disease is being considered in Jamaica. Digested means breaking down food, as choice F is also an irrelevant option to fit the blank as correct answer with respect to the passage. So the correct answers are choice D and choice E.